Good morning friends. My name is Deepak Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT, and today we discuss about the dimensional analysis applied to hydraulic machines. So let's start. Now first we discuss that dimensional analysis applied to hydraulic machine. We know that for incompressible machine, that means density is constant for the fluid flowing through the machine. The variables which are dependent in incompressible machines for turbo machines of incompressible flow turbo machines are following: head, power, efficiency. The above variables are functions of diameter, speed, length, discharge, density and viscosity. So these variables are independent variables, hence the relationship between the dependent and independent variables as shown below. Now first we discuss about the head coefficient. We know that tangential or blade velocity u, which is equals to pi dn by 60. That means we can say that u is proportional to diameter and speed, as shown by the equation number 6. Now velocity head, which is equals to v square oblique rho g. So we can and that means v is proportional to u. So h is equals to u square by rho g, or u square is proportional to rho into h, as that means u is proportional to under root rho h. That is shown in equation number 2. By equation first and second, we can say that under root rho h is directly proportional to dn, or rho h is proportional to d square into n square, and rho h upon d square n square is a constant, and that constant is shown by the psi, which is known as the head coefficient. Now we discuss about the flow coefficient or capacity coefficient. Capacity coefficient is shown by the phi. For hydraulic machine, Q is equals to discharge is equals to rho A Vf, where rho is the density, V is the flow discharge component of absolute velocity in the velocity triangle, which is responsible for fluid flow on blade. B is the width of the impeller, and D is the mean diameter. Now we know that area is equals to B into D. So in the above equation, A is replaced by the B and D. So the new equation is Q is equals to rho into B into D into Vf. But width of the impeller is directly proportional to the diameter of the impeller. So we can say that if B is proportional to D, then Q is equals to rho D square into Vf, as shown in the equation number 1. Now tangential velocity, again u is equals to pi dn by 60. That means u is proportional to dn and u is proportional to Vf. So we can say that u is proportional to Vf into dn, as shown by the equation number 3rd. And by equation first and third, Q is equals to rho d cube n, or Q oblique rho d cube n is equals to a constant. So the above relation is known as the flow coefficient, which is denoted by the phi. So equation number 5 show the flow coefficient. That means phi is equals to Q oblique rho d cube rho d ki power cube n. Now we discuss about the power coefficient or specific power. Power of the hydraulic turbo machine is given by the equation number 1. P is equals to rho g q h, or we can say that P is proportional to rho q h, because g is a constant, as shown in the equation number 2, where h is the head of the machine, and we know that Q is proportional to d cube n, and under root h is proportional to h d into n. So we can say that P is proportional to rho d cube n, or into d square n square, where now we put the relation is obtained by putting the value of Q and h in the equation number 2nd, and get the value of equation get the equation 4, which is shown that P is proportional to rho d ki power 5 n cube, or P oblique rho n cube d ki power 5 is constant, and it is the power coefficient. Now friends, we discuss about the specific speed. It is the parameter which does not explicitly contain the diameter of the runner or the impeller. It is denoted by ns. It is used in comparing the different types of turbo machines, because the different turbo machines have different specific speed. Now we discuss about the pump specific speed. The specific speed of a centrifugal pump is defined as the speed at which pump delivers 1 meter cube of liquid per second against a height of 1 meter. It is expressed as shown by the following relation. Ns is equals to n under root q oblique h m की power 3 by 4, where n is the speed in rpm, q is the discharge in meter cube per second, h is the manometric head in meters. The dimensionless specific speed is given by n की power n into q की power 1 by 2 oblique g h m की power 3 by 4. Now expression, that how we derive the expression of pump specific speed. The discharge of our centrifugal pump is given by the following relation. Q is equals to pi dB into Cr as shown in the equation number 1, where d is the diameter of the pump impeller, b is the width of the impeller, and we know that d is proportional to v. So if we replace b by d, then the equation is Q is proportional to d square into Cr. But we know that the flow velocity, tangential velocity, and manometric velocity are related by the equation number 2. That means U is proportional to TR, CR is proportional to under root HM. But U is also proportional to DN by the equation number 3. So from equation number 2 and 3, we have D is proportional to under root HM by N. The discharge equation then becomes Q is proportional to HM by N square into under root HM, or Q is equals to constant HM की power 3 by 2 oblique N square, as shown in the equation number 4. From the definition of specific speed, N is equals to Ns when Hm is equals to 1 meter, that means manometric head is equals to 1 meter and discharge is equals to 1 meter cube per second. Now substitute the values in equation number 4, then the value of proportionality is determined, which is equals to Ns square. Then discharge Q is equals to Ns square dot Hm की power 3 by 2 N square, or Ns square is equals to N square Q oblique Hm की power 3 by 2. So the pump specific speed Ns is equals to N under root Q Hm की power 3 by 4. Now we discuss about the specific speed of turbine. The specific speed of turbine is defined as the speed at which the turbine develops unit power when working under unit head. It is expressed by the following relation. Ns is equals to N under root P by oblique H की power 5 by 4, where N is the speed in RPM, H is the head in meter, P is the power in kilowatt. The dimensionless specific speed or power specific speed is given by the following relation, which is shown that NSP is equals to N under root P divided by root rho into GH की power 5 by 4. Now we discuss about the derivation of turbine specific speed. The power developed by any turbine in terms of overall efficiency is given by the following formula. P is equals to meta naught rho G Q H, where P is proportional to Q into H, as meta naught, rho and G are the constant. The absolute velocity, tangential velocity and head on the turbine are related as C is proportional to root H and U is proportional to C. So we can say that U is also proportional to under root H. So as shown by the equation number 1. But the tangential velocity U is given by U is equals to pi dn by 60, or U is proportional to dn as shown in the equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, D is proportional to under root H by N as shown in the equation number 3. The discharge through the turbine is given by Q is equals to area into velocity or area into C, but area is proportional to B into D. B is the width and D is the impeller diameter. So and B is also proportional to D, so we can say that A is proportional to D square. Or from equation number 3, A is proportional to H oblique N square and C is proportional to under root H. Q is proportional to H की power 3 by 2 oblique N square, and so substituting for Q in the power equation we get P is proportional to H की power 3 by 2 N square into H, or P is proportional to H की power 5 by 2 oblique N square, or if we remove the proportionality, then we have to introduce a constant. So the equation is P is equals to constant into h की power 5 by 2 n square, as shown in the equation number 4. Now constant is called the proportionality constant. According to the definition of specific speed, n is equals to ns when P is equals to 1 kilowatt, h is equals to 1 meter. Then the above equation, then from the above equation, ns square is equals to constant. So from equation number 4, P is equals to ns square h की power 5 by 2 n square, or we can say that ns square is equals to P into n square oblique h की power 5 by 2. So the turbine specific speed ns is equals to n under root P divided by h की power 5 by 4, where n is in rpm, P is in kilowatt, and h is in meters, as shown by the equation number 5. The table shows the range of specific speed for various turbo machines. Like for Pelton wheel, the dimensional specific speed range is 0.022 to 0.39, and for Francis turbine it is 0.39 to 2.3, for Kaplan turbine 2.7 to 5.4, propeller turbine 1.6 to 3.6, and centrifugal pump 0.24 to 1.8, and there are so many other turbo machines for which the dimensional specific speed are mentioned in this table. Thank you.